Hello. What's going on? Guys, it's me, Chalub. I'm gonna be playing a Roblox game, and this is the only game I like to play on Roblox. Because it's a good game. So let me take this off. But, so this is what my character looks like. He's pretty cool. Stands. Running, crouching, walking, crawling. Cool. Alright, so this is my setup. I have a sniper, knife, and then I just barely got this new gun. What I'm trying to get is, here, I'll show you. This gun. Right here, but I don't have it, because I don't have it. So, I have this one for now. So I would say I'm a decent sniper. I'm not too good, but I'm a pretty good sniper. I also have a laser. Get out of the way. Missed all those shots. Good job. Alright, well you'll probably see me die a lot in this, but that guy's already dead. I like to go in these things, because on this map is kind of not good, but I like to go in these things. Okay. It's really hard when you have a sniper and this kind of gun. I want to get like an automatic pistol. If oh dang, that guy's already dead. Alright. Well, I leveled up. After getting that rad freaking headshot. Did you see that? That was so cool. Yeah, well, I'm pretty sure. Die. Oh! Okay. Yeah, this video is gonna go to like about 30 minutes, like my normal videos. And this is the only game I'm ever gonna play on Roblox. Because it's the only good game. No offense. Get out of here, home slice. Get out. Just get out. Go away, you haven't ate. Okay. We're getting shots fired from all over the place. There's that guy that I couldn't hit because I'm not that good at sniper. Oh, bad. You are bad because you tried to kill me. Well, yeah, and you did kill me. Sigh. Oh, dang it. I tried to quick scope him. I need like a really fast gun. This one isn't fast, but it deals lots of damage, so that's why I like it. That guy killed me again. He's level 16. I have that gun too. I could use that gun. I might want to change that up, but I leveled up and got a different sniper, so I don't... Good job, guys. I hit none of those shots. Oh! Okay. Oh, my dogs are in my room. I can imagine someone playing like that, and then seeing like the replay kill of them. Holy crap, I have 6% health. That's not good for your health. That guy shot me in one hit. Killed me. Wow. I don't know why I'm singing anymore. This game is good though, because it's like got this parkour aspect that it's like real nice. Where do we have someone? That's where, but I can't freaking hit my shots. Whoops. Stop zooming. I didn't want you to zoom. Side again. Ah! This guy's got his knife out. It's funny. Oh, that was the guy that I killed with one hit when I was laughing right here. I went bang. Oh, I'm gonna shoot. Is either moving to that or is hiding? Where did that guy go? I think he might have died. You suck. I don't think they knew that they sucked, so now they know. I'm a pretty high level in this game too. Okay, not that high. That's too high. I'm not that high. That's illegal. Would you stop? Hey, look, she's got like the hand grip like I do, but she's not even holding it there. My character actually holds it there. She was like, her character was holding it. Not good. Stop shooting me. Okay, well that guy's dead. Well, you can't get a shot when they're shooting you, and the zoom takes forever to come out. Actually, no, it doesn't. I don't know why I died. Stop. These guys, look, see, well, I tried to point at the screen, but I don't have a face cam, and I don't want to get a face cam. I might want to stream, though, on YouTube, but probably on, like, Twitch. killed her. Skedaddle. Jump through windows, bro. He's coming inside. Hot, come inside, it's fun inside. How many kills? I only got 9 kills. I had a lot of deaths though. Wow. Oh yeah, hold on. Wait, I got some gun in here. I think. What about 2? 3. Oh yeah, look, that's the gun. I don't like to use shotguns. One. Wait, hold on. What was the gun that it said I had? Do you see that? Maybe it's this one. I don't want to buy things. Wait, can you buy it with, no, you need Roblox. Alright, that one's cool. I want to get them, it's free, but you have to be level 1 billion. Are these the only sniper rifles they have? I have, oh wait, no I don't. Oh, that's purchased now, because it's free. You just have to get level 45. Alright, well let's play it. What is this? Oh, it's a gun game. Okay. Hope you're on my team. This is a gun game. I'm not too swell with gun games. I like them. Like when I kill someone. Don't swerve around like a weirdo. Homie. Shut up. Stop. You violated the law. Your stolen goods are now forfeit. Find them. I shall pay you. You suck. You actually suck. You can't kill me with a knife. Apparently you can. I think my knife is this button. Yeah. But I don't remember what it is to hold your knife out. Is it Z? It is. Haha. I can kill people with a knife now, but I don't want to. Ha! You wrecked. I kind of need to be quiet though, because my parents are still sleeping. Dude, I am destroying. Oh no, I'm not. I'm only on 4. Some guys are on 10. Oh, you actually suck. Ha. One of them never gonna get a P90. Oh, dude, look at that guy's face. Alright, hold on. I'll have to show you. Let me go cower in the corner real quick. You see that guy's... Look at this guy's face. Bot. Not get freaking wrecked. Let's snipe people with the pistol. Let's go. Or a handgun, I mean. Hey, he got me. That's... No, it is the same gun. You see how slow it is? You have to have a really fast finger to be like... Yeah, see, look at that P90 right there. What am I on? Like 6, 5? Stop! This guy's like level 45 with prestige 4. I don't know how to get whatever prestige is. So I'm I wonder if you have to get like level 100 and then it restarts your stuff. And then you get prestige so then you can get special stuff. Like special things. I don't like this gun right now. I used to have it in my handgun. I'm just gonna go kill people with a knife. Hey, look, she's got it too. Yeah, I still got this one. I'm gonna go kill people with the knife. Ha! What gun do I have? Oh, cool. Okay. Oh my. Alright, knife is the way to go. Wait, she got me. She killed me and then I went back to this? That's not fair. No, you are on my team, so. Why aren't you dead? Go and die. Where am I? Oh, here's the entrance. Or the exit. Hi, hey, I can smell you. God freaking damn it. Good job, team. Except I need to get some. Hold on, let me heal up. Get dead. Okay, we're good. Now I've got a good gun. And I'm happy now. Oh, you suck. I hate that lady so much. She actually sucks. Oh, nice. Well, that guy killed me, so you can go suck. Where am I on? Level 9? Oh, they have a golden knife. That's not good. Because then they can win. Unless they're on my team. If they're on my team, then that's good. Oh, I'm just gonna go. I don't like this lady. This lady and the other lady that like has the same hair. I think they have the same hair. This lady. Come here. Ha! Get sucked. Oh, nice. Okay, I'm down with this gun. I know he's on my team. Never mind. Hey, I got 2 kills. I didn't even see what the one was. I got another. Okay, I'm down with this too. I'm down with like all the guns. Oh, dang it. The guy with the golden knife won. I got 15 kills though. That's pretty nice. We can do one more round. Yeah, we got time. What is this? We can go this one or this one. This one's good. I've never played that map. TDM, yeah, TDM. No, it's TDM. Whew. Wait, Koth? Aw, you actually suck. What's in the shop? This one? Snowbound? What's this gun? A gun? Icicle launcher. Wow, I don't like that. My guy looks pretty rad. Whoa, this place is... Oh, this takes place of this map? Okay, I know this map. This is normally like a sandy map, but since it's like Christmas time, you need it. Hold on. Gotta really... You have to like glitch yourself up there. Oh, I was so close to doing it. Oh, that thing, that ledge hit my head. Hold on. Last time. Come on, come on. There's a really good there's a really good spot up there for sniping. I think they made that ledge taller so now you can't go up there, but I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. I never know what I'm saying. There's also a good... Hello there, General Kenobi. This one, let's see. I just kind of trying to... Okay, I can't check the walls. Nice. There's a good spot up here so that I can get to. Unless you fall right through this scaffolding, then you can't get to it. Get dead. I'm just trying to get it good. Sniper. Oh, I didn't press jump. That made me laugh. Wait. Nice. Am I blue team? I think I'm blue team. Hold on, I'm still... Yeah, I am blue team. Stop. I shot him in the butthole. Yes! Nice. See, this is when snipers are good because... Oh, hello. Okay, goodbye. Oh my god, I was sniping right next to him for like a while. I think that's the guy that I killed. Just be. These guys that shoot right next to me are kind of loud a little bit. Oh, dude, I almost killed him. He was so low. He had to be so low. Hey! Alright, now we need to get back up on the tower thing. Because I need to, and if there's anyone up there, I'm gonna kill him. I thought that... There's a snowman! Hey, that guy. I'm beta. Alright, let me go to the hill real quick. Oh no, the hill's ours. Well, it's for right now. Alright, I'm cool for that. I can't climb those, I forgot. I haven't played this game in a long time. It's the only game that I'll play though. But the thing about Roblox is that you can't, like, talk to your friends with your mic because that's not... Oh my god. You suck. You weren't even aiming for me. Hacking. I call hacking. No, I'm just joking. I don't think anyone would really want to hack Roblox. Because it's kind of... No one saw that. We're all good. I just need to wait for my health to come up. Oh my god, I fell off. Yes! Alright, now we gotta check for anyone else that's up here. And there's people, there's definitely people, there's many people that are up here that are gonna die by my hand. Or I mean by my finger, I should say. When I'm crouched like this, I like hunch down in my chair like I'm crouched in real life. Is there anyone that I can oh! You suck. Nice. Nice. Oh, that guy's gone. Alright, skedaddle. Oh, this video is getting a little... It's not getting long, it's just... Oh, I see his star thing. He's like right about here. I see his... You failed. Good job. There's two of them now. Why is there two? Go away. Stop shooting me. Ah. Got one. Well, the other one's gone now. I killed one. I don't know where the other one went. Whoa! What kind of gun is that? Ah! Oh, that was super good. Got him first. Now everyone doesn't like me. Now everyone wants to kill me. That's not fun. Now you're throwing bombs at me. You suck. Alright, now I have revenge. Where are you? You sack. Oh god. Why are you not dead? Why are you not dead? Thank you, I killed you with a knife. Yeah. Okay, okay. Alright, go away. I don't care, I got quite a lot of kills. Yeah, you see that 23, that's and only 6 deaths, that's pretty good. But, alright, let's check, because it said I leveled up again, so I think it's just, like, being annoying. But I got level 32 and I need to get level 45, so I'm getting pretty nice to where I need to be. But, yeah, these are all the guns here. Let me show you all the guns that I have. So I have this gun, right? This one. I have this one, and I think I might, nope, I don't have any more. Some machine guns. I have these two. Light machine guns. I don't have any of those. Rifles. This, but I don't like to use these guns. This would be really cool though if I had got this. I really want to get it, but I don't want to buy things. Then this, obviously. This, I don't use shotguns, and then special, I don't have any. So that's pretty nice. I use snipers because I'm a sniper kind of guy. But it would be so cool if I could get an M1 Garand. That'd be really cool. But, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Goodbye.